Alright, so this is probably going to be the most expensive half-inch drive cordless impact wrench unboxing videos on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy the video. It was very expensive to acquire this impact wrench, over $1,000, and not it's very difficult to get anyone to ship this thing to North America. So I want to give a shout out to handtoolsfromgermany.com. If you are ever looking for any German brand tools, check out this website. They are definitely legit and will take care of you. You really never know when ordering overseas what sites are legit, but the tool arrived safe and sound. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and yeah. If I had more subscribers, I'd totally give this thing away, but we, I don't really. I don't really have that many. And we don't get that many likes nowadays, so usually I just end up. Oh man, my walking knife. Can't even cut a zip tie. Let's see. Okay, I got these. It's Milwaukee knife for the, what are these, from the dollar store? Let's open the latches together. Wow. Let's check it at this clip. Because what's an impact wrench video without checking out the clip? I have no idea what it says, but so there's two versions of this impact wrench. One is a 3/4 inch drive, one is a 1/2 inch drive. So I'm going to guess for us the English is in the back. Yes. So cool. Quite detailed instruction manual for an impact wrench. Usually they are not that detailed. So where do we start? Okay, let's check out this charger. Check the battery. interesting screws. Here is the, oh man, do you know what? I need the other adapter. I need the international plug adapter, I think it's called. Damn. But that's the cord. This thing is heavy duty. See how the screws go through the body into the nose cone? So I'm going to guess this has some Makita heritage behind it. Check out the size of this light. Really interesting. It's really heavy. So this is a 5 amp hour. There is no battery indicator on the battery or power indicator. Really tight. There's no play in it. Wow. So so they have the indicator on the tool. This is one of the brighter lights, which you know I'm obsessed with tool lighting, and that gets a plus for me. This switch, it's kind of sloppy. Here is the speed selector. Let's go up a speed. There's 2. That's in forward. Let's go to 3. Let's go in reverse. with 3. Yeah, it's variable. 2 and 1. Really nice smooth trigger. It's variable, so in all the settings. So this is definitely not small. It's quite a big impact and it's quite heavy. This is their heavy duty impact, and we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. Really pretty impact. So let's try it and see. Look at this case. It's amazing with the battery on it. What's the charge on that thing? No, we're gonna have to get we need the adapter for the plug before I can go and test it, because I don't have that. All right, so we'll get back to it in another video. All right, so I got an adapter from Amazon, and here you can see this is just basically it goes from the round to the flat spade. Let's see how this goes. Like that. So now you have a US plug. So we'll charge it up and see how it goes. Alright, so I thought you'd like to see this charger in action. The battery here, I'm going to put it on the base. Here are the lights. One hand. All right. Huh, very cool. All right, so we're looking for, I guess this would be it right here, full charge.